So I bought this small city house and there's a lot of garden space in the back which I don't know what to do with. I've ended up putting garden area here, so I'm going to do a homestead and a lot of home growing. I've got a rose area, I've got 3 garden beds, 2 I'm set up and they're ready. The third I'm going to be showing you in this video. How to make concrete garden beds. I've made them out of concrete blocks. I've already got 2 set up and I'm going to set up a third one, so let's have a look at that. So you can see some blocks here and also some bricks here. So I've already set up 1 garden bed out of concrete blocks. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 concrete blocks, 2 there, 5 there. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 12 concrete blocks per garden bed. So I've already got 2 that I've made. I'm in the process of making a third. I'm using old recycled concrete blocks which are like bits and bobs, and I'm going to be making a garden bed. They're 5 concrete blocks long, 2 wide, and that seems to be the ideal amount for me. I've got enough space in the middle for a wheelbarrow, and I've got mulch on the moment on this one. In the first garden bed I actually put just straight in and I put a lining on the outside. Here's a closer look. So I've leveled off the bed. It's going to be just under 3 foot wide so I can reach from both sides. I've got the extra footpath, so if I'm here, put it inside just to level it off. Give you a closer look down here. And there'll be breeze blocks there. I'll have I've made 1 garden bed. I'm in the process of making the second, and the key question is how much space to leave in between the garden beds. Ideally I want to be able to get the trolley in, like a wheelbarrow or something. So I think this much space is enough. It looks like quite a lot of wasted space, but I think this is the right amount of space. Let me see how much space I am doing here. So this is a 2 foot spirit level. There's about 3 foot I'm leaving between, which means I can get to this top garden bed which I made as well. There's a garden bed up here for the climbing plants. The climbing plants are back there. one of these shallow ones because I notice a lot of weeds and stuff grow out the neighbour's garden. So if I have that block all the way along, I'll plastic it to make sure that they don't come out, and then I'll have the wood chip walkways all the way along there. In this one I've put cardboard in the bottom. While digging bed 2, found a nice little surprise. It looks like there's a wall down here. Just a quick little update on the garden bed situation. So one bed is kind of ready, manure has been applied, and moving along you can see the back. I wanted to continue the long bed, so just back here that bed kind of stops here, but I've dug out some more to make it continue. I didn't have enough breeze blocks, so I used some of these gravel boards. So I've got 3 there, put a 4th one in, I've got potential 5th one in the back there. Breeze blocks, I kind of worked out the spacing, I've laid them out, and I'm going to start concreting that bed in. So we've got 2 beds now. In this one I'm going to fully line it with plastic damp proof membrane. The soil here I'm actually digging out from the walkways and putting it into the garden beds. It's always nice to have friends with ponies and horses. So what we've got here is some free rotted manure. So you can see here that's like 5 years worth, so I'll take some of that for the vegetable garden, and then mulching over the top with good quality I've got a compost base setup as well, which I'm using. I've put some climbing beans up there. This bed, this addition, this is another addition here, 3rd. And this one, there's a big, massive quarry stone that I used as a bed. Little bits and bobs left here. Try and get another bed in there. So I've got 4. I wanted 6, but because of the compost I can't have 6 now, because there was a lot of rubbish that I need to put into that. I've taken the twigs out separately. I might get a shredder or mulch or something. In this series of videos I'm actually doing my home garden bed. Follow along on the journey and see what I'm able to grow in this small space, and I'll see you on the next video in this series here.